Brother.
Give it time and we wonder why. Do what we can, laugh and we cry, and we sleep in your dust because we've seen this all before. Culture fades with tears and grace, leaving us stunned, hollow with shame. We have seen this all before. Many tribes of a modern kind, doing brand new work, same spirit by his side, joining hearts and hands in ancestral twine, ancestral twine. Many tribes of a modern kind, doing brand new work, same spirit by his side, joining hearts and hands in ancestral twine, ancestral twine. Slowly it fades, and slowly we fade, and slowly it fades, and slowly it fades. Emana Emana yo 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 yo, 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 Emana yo 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 yo. Spirit bird, she creaks and groans, she knows she is. Seen this all before, she has. Seen this all before, she has. Spirit bird, she creaks and groans, she knows she has. Seen this all before, she has. Seen this all before, she has. And slowly it fades, and slowly it fades, and slowly we fade, and slowly it fades. Soldier on, my feel you're hurt, and I know it's wrong, and you feel you're being chained and broken and burned. And those beautiful old people, those wise old souls are being ground down for far too long by that spineless man, that greedy man, that heartless man, deceiving man, that government hand, taking blood and land, taking blood and land, and still they can. But you're dreaming, and your warrior spirit lives on, and it is so, so, so strong in the earth, in the trees, in the rocks, in the water, in your blood, and in the air we breathe. Soldier on, my good countryman. Keep fighting for your children now. Keep fighting for your land. Slowly fades, slowly fades, slowly fades, slowly fades. Hey, mana, yo, 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 yo. 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 Give it time and we wonder why. Do what we can, laugh and we cry, and we sleep in your dust because we've seen this all before.
Hold you. King live in the Big Lounge, Xavier Rudd. Thank you so much. Thank you.